All right, welcome back to IMTS again. Put this particular event on your calendar in 2 years. It's a must-attend event. If you're in manufacturing, this is where you need to be. Just look at all of the mad technology that exists in this particular area. This is a small but very vibrant community and as well a country. I got to tell you, it's everything. Now we're at United Grinding and we're talking to
Jacob Baldwin.
Jacob Baldwin. Now what do we have here, Jacob? Let's start laying the foundation on what we have here, what the tool is, and we're just going to rapid fire. Go.
Sure, Scott. The area that we're standing in our booth right now is called Core Island. It basically is a space. It's a space in our booth that showcases our new core technology. It stands for Customer-Oriented Revolution, and the most physical manifestation of that is the panel that you see on each of our machines. You'll notice that we have a Walter, we've got a Magerly, and we've got a Stuger, 3 different machine tool brands. The same core panel, the same core technology on each of the machines. You got a tool grinder, a combination machining unit, and a cylindrical grinder, all using the same machine interface.
Cool. Outside of the simple fact, if I bought this particular machine, do I get that graphic?
I'm sure we could probably work something out.
You could probably work something out. Let's go over here and talk us through this.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. What do we got? We got the back of this. This is exceptionally big guy.
Are you working these? Are you working these pinions?
I am. Yes. There you go.
Okay.
All right.
So the core technology features a 24-inch touchscreen interface. It has a front-facing webcam for video chatting with our technical support team from the production floor.
Hold it. Don't just gloss over that. You're saying if I'm a machinist, if I'm working this machine and I have an issue, I can just touchscreen and create a interface with somebody to help me do it.
You create a webcam code. Yes, absolutely.
Right there.
You're right there, right from the front of your machine. This technology also dovetails perfectly with our digital solutions platform, which shortens the distance between the operator and our service team in Ohio. So if there's an issue and you need to connect with somebody, the service team in Ohio can remote into the machine. They can read log data. They can video chat with you, and they can diagnose and get you back up and running as quickly as possible.
See, and that's good for the bottom line. It's good for the asset utilization. Keep that machine running as much as you can, and definitely probably. Are you sending diagnostics of this equipment, saying, hey, it needs a little bit more maintenance here or whatever? Does it send that information?
I'm glad that you asked that, because part of our digital solutions platform is we got Service Monitor. Is one of the modules, and Service Monitor allows you to proactively manage your service intervals so that you can align them, so that you can plan your machine downtime, your service downtime, so it doesn't happen, sporadically.
Right. Let me see. It's Chris. Dead sexy, right?
Yes.
It's just like yes. Oh, that sounds good. Because it's exactly right. And so what you're doing, this solution, one, I'm able to get, because I'm impatient, FYI. So I'm an impatient guy. I want to be able to get this thing solved as fast as possible, and I certainly don't care to think about when I need to maintain the asset.
Absolutely.
And it's like, all I want to do, run the machine as efficiently as I possibly can.
For sure, absolutely. And to that point, the third module in our digital solutions portfolio is Production Monitor. It gives complete transparency. If you've got multiple machines running, you can see the status of those machines, the job status, all from your mobile app or from a PC that's connected to the network.
Let's go to the next one.
For sure. Actually, we're going to go to the VersaLoad.
Follow up. Here we go. Check it. Look at it. Look at the gear, man. Look at the gear. You've been wrong. See, okay, this is just an FYI, right? Are you dealing with this robotic arm?
Yes.
Yeah. See, here's the funny thing. I think there's a competition with robotic arms in how they look, and how they are colored, and how they always look so streamlined.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You don't want something clunky. It's like, oh, come on, man.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, talk to us.
Yeah, for sure. So this is the latest automation solution to come out of our team in Miamisburg, Ohio. It's called VersaLoad. It uses a FANUC CRX series collaborative robot.
That's a
And
mouthful.
it's mounted on a pedestal in front of the machine, and it's designed for high-mix, low-volume production runs. And uses a tablet-style teaching pendant, so the learning process is super simple and really lowers the barriers to entry, the perceived barriers to entry when you're talking about automation.
What problem is this solving? Outside of the fact that it's cool and I think I understand, but what problem is this solving?
For sure. So everybody knows that we're, as a manufacturing community, that we're facing a workforce shortage. And this allows the workforce that we are able to acquire and retain, where it allows us as a manufacturing community to deploy those resources more strategically. So you don't have one person running one machine anymore. Maybe you have one person that runs a production pod of maybe 3 or 4 machines.
I'm telling you, if I was younger, I would be all over this.
Absolutely.
I mean, as a career, I would just be all over this industry. And because if you learn about this robotic arm, and you understand how to program and do this, and then this machine, your skill level just continues to amp up, and you're in the game because you're not stopping here. Your company's not just stopping here. You're going to continue to innovate. You're going to continue to make it more efficient, more insightful, and more, digital, whatever you might want to say.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Got another machine?
Absolutely. Yeah, right this way.
Follow us. By the way, we're here for breakfast too, because they got a full-blown breakfast restaurant right over there, and lunch too, as well. I'm losing weight by the minute. Here we go. Holy cow. Cool. Cool. I was going to say, is this new? Because it has a new one. This is new too. All right, what do we got here?
All right, so this is the latest and greatest, the Walter Helocheck Plus. Walter is known for world-class tool and cutter grinding machines. They are also very well known for non-contact measuring machines, optical measuring machines. So this is a very special machine because it represents a combination of multiple technologies into a single machine, giving the customer unprecedented levels of flexibility when it comes to measuring the accuracy of their parts on their production floor.
Wow.
So Walter makes a Helocheck 3D. This is a Walter Helocheck Plus. The Helocheck 3D uses a laser to scan a rotationally symmetrical part, creates a 3D point cloud of up to 3 million points to create a 3D model, and it can compare that model to an original model, and then it color codes where the part is in and out of spec. So it's an amazing.
Don't you get all of this geeky on this stuff?
Awesome.
This is awesome
It
stuff.
is so cool.
This is great.
So this machine has that 3D sensor integrated into the Helocheck Plus, which uses optics and not necessarily just the laser to check the accuracy of the part. And so this machine is capable of measuring that part accuracy down to about the 5 micron range. And it also has a robot loader that has laser etching and a washing station as well. So this is if you're into measuring, this is it.
This is it.
Yes.
You've reached Valhalla.
How about that? How about that?
I love it. I love it.
Yes, you're welcome. All right, last one.
Last one, we're going to go over here.
All right.
This is the all-new Walter Helotronic G200. This is the first time it's ever been shown in North America. It was debuted at, I believe, the Grinding Hub in 2000. No, I don't want to say that, but this is the first time it's been showcased in North America. This machine was designed to accommodate manufacturers who go through a high volume of cutting tools, and they have a tool room, and they're able to produce their own cutting tools or regrind. Space is limited. You can see this is a very compact machine, so if you're working with small to medium-sized tools, you need to regrind. You want to kind of capitalize on that value add, then this is the machine for you.
And Jacob, you were fantastic. All right, one word. What's that one word? Passion. Problem solver. This company's amazing. Incredible technology. Jacob, thank you very much. IMTS, it's a double thumbs up, a 5 hard hat approval rating right here. Thank you to United Grinding, and we're going to have more technology speed dating coming from IMTS soon, so don't go away.
Thanks, Scott.